Hi guys, it's Catfish and Piranha. And before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. Thank you. We're opening more Treasure X today. This is part 2, but first we gotta get this out.
Excavation tool?
Yeah. It's hard to get
out. Here's the excavation tool.
I'm opening this up.
Okay. We is be ready almost.
Yeah, almost. Okay, we got
all
the
the trash?
Off. Now let's open this up.
Oh, I got it. Here, hold this.
Okay, you gotta go get your magic rock. Yeah. So guys, he's gone, and I really wanted to go to Family Dollar because I want to buy something for myself with my money, and I have to buy Treasure X for him because we did a pinky promise.
Every single time I get something that is cool enough for unboxing, I will do unboxing.
Okay. Now hold the camera.
You can just dig up a little bit and then throw the rest in here.
Yeah, okay, never mind.
Okay.
I can do it that way.
Take the treasure.
Just throw it in there.
And we can do the treasures.
No, not yet.
I'll dump this all in.
We still need to open the other one. Okay.
Oh, yeah. I do the mummy bags.
We got 2
We got treasure and then another treasure.
We'll open those at the end. So let's put the tool in there just in case.
Okay. Safekeeping. Okay, where's the other one? Where did you put that other one? Oh, it's over there, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it. Let's open it up.
Open it here.
Oh, yeah.
Up in the corner.
Okay.
You just poke a hole. And then you peel the rest off. Come on.
Move your hand.
I don't want this on my stuff. Magic rock.
Okay, I got that.
Oh, it's so sticky. I don't like it.
Keep it on the camera. Keep it on the treasure.
I am.
You're opening the money, right?
Yep. Duh. Okay, let's just do this quickly. We don't need the map.
I don't need this. Can I have them back?
You can have one of them.
Thank you.
But don't mix it up with mine.
Oh.
It's only been 3 minutes. That's surprising.
Got that. Now let's dig it open.
This is a good spot to dig it all at once.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good too. Oh, the treasure.
Got that, and then the treasure's in there.
The treasure and the character. Here we go.
Okay, we got everything done.
Now it's time for the mummy bags. We'll start with the first mummy bags from the first box. This one.
Oh, you got
a
triplet.
bug.
Did you get triplet? I thought I saw this.
Oh, yeah, I get bugs.
I can't really
That's
see
a
that
new
one.
treasure. And then I also got a bug.
Looks like a bug head.
No, that's a skull. Let's see. Then the bug. And now for the character of pack 1. What could we have gotten? Ooh, it's a new one. Caveman dog.
And we already got the caveman skeleton. Where did it go get it?
Oh, yeah. Hold this.
Okay, look at this. It's a close-up. He cannot open his mouth like the other one. Pretty cool. So we got
the mini beast for this guy.
Okay, here we go. There's that, and there's Whittle Dog.
Whittle dog.
Whittle Dog. I call all dogs a little bit whittle. Whittle
I'm
Dog.
going to put this back.
Language.
It's huge.
Language of speech. Okay, the last 2. Time for the very last mummy bags.
Last 2 mummy bags.
And we might be going to the store if I didn't tell you. Oh, again.
Wait, no, it's different.
How is it different? Oh, I can see that. Look at this, guys.
Put them in the...
There we go. What's next?
The last mummy bag. And we got, drumroll please.
Oh, I can't really do it.
Yeah, you don't need it. The last character.
Is that blood on him?
It
looks like it.
Let me see this. So today we got...
That's my map. I didn't want to open it
Okay,
yet.
today we got Minotaur and Scratcha.
Here's that guy, Bruce Beaver. There. So, before we end this video, click that subscribe button.
Turn on the notifications and give me, Tao, a huge thumbs up.
You don't have a channel yet.
Oh.
Scruffy's is going to be called Scruffy Play
Nope.
whenever
Nope.
he gets one.
This is Scruffy and Tao's channel.
Okay!